Hello everyone. Today I will introduce PhD Path, a mobile application designed to help PhD graduates find both academic and non-academic career opportunities after completing their doctoral degree. This project was developed by the prompt engineering team, Anesha Chakraborty, Akila Ramu, and Deepa Roshini. The app is built using the Base44 platform and is deployed using cloud-based hosting. This slide shows the timeline of the video. Now we're going to see the overview of the app.
Getting a PhD it's a huge deal. But once the dust settles, there's this one massive question that always seems to pop up. So today, we're going to look at a tool that's designed to help you answer that question and find your way professionally.
So you've just spent years, literally years, deep in your research. You've defended your thesis, you've got the cap and gown, and you're officially a doctor. And then, bam, that huge question hits you. What am I going to do now? It's a serious crossroad, and honestly, the path forward isn't always obvious.
Okay, so this is where PhD Path steps onto the scene. It's a mobile app, and it's built from the ground up to be a guide for PhD grads. It's all about turning that big, scary what's next into some clear, actual opportunities. You can think of it as a GPS for your career, right after your doctorate.
So who is this for exactly? Well, it's laser-focused on the core STEM fields. If your PhD is in life sciences, physics, chemistry, math, or computer science, then this tool was built specifically for you. It gets your background and your skills.
Right, so the second you fire up the app, it presents you with this really big decision. And this is important. It's not just a button you click. This is the whole foundation of how the app is going to guide your entire job search. It's your first big choice.
And here it is, laid out plain and simple. On the left, you've got conventional careers, the traditional path, academia, research positions, stuff you're probably already familiar with. But on the right, you've got non-conventional careers, which is pretty much everything outside of that classic academic bubble. The app lets you dive into either one or both.
So let's talk about that non-conventional path, because let's be honest, that's often the trickiest one to figure out. And this is where the app really brings out its secret weapon. An AI-powered co-pilot for your career.
And getting started is super simple. It's really just 3 steps. First, you tell it your specialized subjects. Then, you upload your CV. And this is a really key part for this non-conventional path. And finally, you just hit Analyze. And just like that, you've got this personalized career map ready to go. Now this is where things get really cool. The AI isn't just doing a simple keyword search. No way. It gives you this complete breakdown of your profile. It'll classify your career type, summarize your strengths, and even list out your specific skills, tools, and techniques. It's basically translating your entire academic background into the language that industry understands.
And look, this whole deep dive isn't just for you to read and go, that's neat. The app takes that analysis and immediately starts finding jobs that are an actual, genuine fit for your unique profile. It's all about personalization. So, what does that look like? Well, instead of getting a giant, overwhelming list of jobs, you see something like this, a clear match percentage. And that number, that's not just some random guess. It's a data-driven score that shows you exactly how well a job lines up with all the details from your CV.
But PhD Path isn't just a fancy job matching tool. It's really trying to be something more, a complete career toolkit. It gives you resources that help you through every single step of the process.
Check this out. The career guidance section has a ton of practical stuff. You've got guides for writing an academic CV, but also tips for turning that into an industry-style resume. There's interview prep and even links to the big job sites. It pulls everything together in one spot so you're not jumping all over the place.
And hey, if you are leaning more towards that academic side, this next feature is a game changer. Anyone who's looked for postdoc funding knows it can feel like a full-time job in itself. Well, this app simplifies that whole headache by collecting fellowship opportunities from all over the world, all in one place.
So when you put it all together, the value here is pretty clear, right? You start with that big choice between academia and industry. You use AI to find the perfect job. You get the tools to prep your application, and you can even find funding. It's all right there in one single focused platform.
We're kind of drowning in information these days, so a really focused tool can make a world of difference. For the thousands of PhDs graduating every year, the question isn't just, what's next? It's, how do I find it? And maybe, just maybe, that answer is now one download away.
In this section, we're going to see the demonstration of the app, how the PhD Path application works. After opening the PhD Path application, users can log in using Google Sign-In or create a new account with their Gmail ID. After logging in, the user selects a career path: conventional careers for academic roles and non-conventional careers for industry roles. If the user selects conventional careers, the next step is to choose their discipline, such as life sciences, physics, chemistry, and others. After selecting a discipline, the user can choose one or multiple specialization subjects. For example, under life sciences, the user may select microbiology or bioinformatics. In the academic job section, the app displays global academic and research job opportunities that match the selected discipline and specialization. Each listing shows details such as the job title, organization name, pay scale, and an apply button. When the user clicks apply, they are redirected to the original job portal to view the full job description and apply. Sometimes a 404 error may appear if the job page is temporarily unavailable, and users can refresh the page or visit the job portal directly. Next, I will demonstrate the non-conventional career option. In this section, CV upload is mandatory. After uploading the CV, the user clicks Analyze CV with AI. The AI system analyzes the CV and generates insights such as career classification, strength summary, key skills, and tools or techniques identified from the CV. After reviewing the results, the user can proceed to the dashboard. From the dashboard, the user can access the AI Career Match feature, which recommends jobs based on the user's skills, research background, selected subjects, and experience. Each job recommendation includes a matching percentage, indicating how well the job matches the user's profile. The app also includes a career guidance section, with resources for academic CV writing, industry resume preparation, interview preparation, fellowship opportunities, and links to major job portals. Finally, in the profile section, users can update their preferences or sign out of the application,